Hi.
Hey everyone,
Hi.
welcome to the last solder sesh of the year, solder sesh number 26. And we've got our guest here, Alex Leitch. So today, Alex is going to be soldering together some Alpenglow swag that we sent them. So we got some angry rain clouds. What else do we got here?
We got this adorable Krampus, which I don't think requires soldering. My microphone is so sensitive. I use it for teaching every day. This charming Krampus. I love this. I love it a lot. And so I unboxed this to make sure I could actually do the thing I was supposed to do. And it came with lots of cute stickers, which are going to go onto my day planner, which says currently art is bad, actually, which strongly reflects my real opinions.
Alex is an artist, so obviously this is the opinion that they have.
I hate it. I hate art. I hate it. I've spent my whole life on it. The happy little cloud rain kit, autofocusing on my camera, which is not helping me. But yeah, so it says, look at this cute little cloud. They would never rain on your parade. This is a fun beginning soldering kit, which is great because the last thing I soldered was, in fact, this gigantic, you'll notice it has surface mount LED, which I soldered with this very Chinatown soldering. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so I have my solder sucker for the inevitable mistakes, and I'm just going to move some of our Alpenglow stickers out of the way and turn it on to not fry component instantly. So Haley, how are you doing?
I'm good. Maybe you could start out by just telling our lovely viewers who you are and how we know each other.
Oh yeah. So my name is Alex, and I met you, I guess, 10 years ago in graduate
totally
school.
Wild.
Where we met because you had blue hair, and I thought if we had somebody who had blue hair to run workshops at my makerspace, we might not go out of businesses as quickly. And it worked. You ended up running a really charming, accessible night for women and LGBTQ people for Tuesdays for like 6 years. I actually only ran that makerspace for 2.5 3 to 4 years. You know,
I think it's like really wild that so the makerspace that me and Alex are both involved in is called Site 3 in Toronto. And even though I think I was there probably twice as long as you're still Alex from Site 3. Oh, hey Bob in the comments.
Hey Bob in the comments. I guess I should pop those open just in case there are questions. Hey,
I got an eye on
welcome in. Yeah, so we met because I needed somebody to help run soldering sessions at Site 3. And now we are doing that again. Okay, so I've got this kit, and this is relatively simple. It comes with an extremely powerful magnet.
They're so powerful.
Yeah. I once got my hand caught it was bad. It's healed now. A 3M sticker, which is cute, and I assume is attempting to attach the magnet to something, a pin back in case I want that instead, which the magnet immediately bonded to. The most useful battery ever invented, the CR2032. Perfect for every kind of throwing. And now we have an angry little cloud, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so I need a switch, and I've got oh, this is nicely labeled actually. I would drop this on a child immediately. Okay, so my soldering iron is warm off camera, and I'm just making sure that the list of questions I can expect is.
I secretly gave Alex a list of questions, even though I'm sure we could talk for an hour regardless of a list of questions, but you know.
But it would be nice to answer some. So as an academic, what I have to do now is actually plan my classes and do slides before I turn on the camera twice a week. It's been really educational, not for my students, mostly for me.
No, you're in like teacher mode. You're like, I've got all my things here. You're showing them to the camera. I can see you've been pandemic teaching for several years now.
You can tell because my demo camera is much better than my face camera.
Actually, on that note, for our viewers, where do you teach?
Where do I teach? I teach at the University of Maryland, College Park, which is just outside of Washington, D.C. in Maryland. We're kind of on the north end of the Yellow Line. It's a 40,000 student school, so it's larger than any Canadian institution. So it's bigger than U of T or York by about 200%. Sometimes I go,
city.
Sorry, is it? Yeah, mid-size. It's actually larger than the township I live in, which is just south of it. We're in the Beltway, but we're kind of, yeah, we're in the Beltway, but we're not part of Beltway life. People often forget we're there. I didn't actually know our institution existed until I was hired. Like, they flew me to a jungle that was very warm, and they were like, we want you to work for us. And I was like, that's cool. There's only 2,000 kids in your school. How bad could it be?
It turns out actually kind of a big deal.
Huge. Yeah. It turns out we're part of the Big Ten, which is a football agglomeration.